Hello, everyone. To add admins to your Facebook page on PC, follow these steps. First, go to your Facebook page. Click Switch Now to switch to your page view. Then click on Settings in the left sidebar. From there, click on Page Setup. Next, click on Page Access. Here you can add either a full control admin or a community manager with limited access. To add a full control admin, look for People with Facebook Access and click Add New. In the search bar that appears, enter the admin's name, email, or profile ID. You'll see an option that allows the admin to delete the page and remove you as admin. Enable this option only if you trust the person completely. Once you've made your selection, click Give Access. You'll be prompted to enter your password for security verification, so enter it here. After that, the person you added will receive an invitation to become an admin. They must accept this invitation to gain admin access to your page. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.